Hak jingwan yo kejat Myntri Rangbah ke jelau konrat ke sanga hinin ke si Umsning bat bala pelong da ke jingelang ke bekerpang ha auditorium hall ke Umsning Town Durbar lalong sisa ke jingkermen ke bakrau ki nongelam bahadien bala penpau ya Shibun ki jingnan kam da ke Umsning Town Durbar Myntri Rangbah ke jelau ulak kular ban shimkia buat lada umla ban penurlong ya baro ki jingdawa ya ki mat jingdawa ki babon ki balong na ka benta ka jingbit jingbiang ki pa ka tan Umsning na pensngau da chairman ka Umsning Town Durbar uba rocky kela bat ula aiti ru ya ka dor khal su Myntri Rangbah ha ka jingelang ka bakerpang pada pelong ha auditorium hall ka Umsning Town Durbar kita ki mat jingdawa bala bo da ka Umsning Town Durbar kumbala penpau pa do chairman ka Umsning Town Durbar ki kenthop ban penyo ya ka scientific solid and waste management ka gallery stadium bat penbha ya ka madani lekai ha patarim ban penyo ban care ya ka jaka ba shpo aka jang ka Umsning Town Durbar ban wanra ya ka fire and emergency station ha Umsning ban shnai ka parking lot bat ka market complex bat kintupru ban penbha ki surong bat ban penbha brio ya ka sor Umsning na lor ki weki mat ki padan kam habakran hakani ka si Myntri Rangbah ka jelau korat ke sangma ula penpau ya ka jingkemen banya don benta hakani ka si na ka benta banya kran halor ka bha kamyat bat ka roi ka parjang ki pa ka than Umsning bat kum Myntri Rangbah ula kularu ban shimkia halor ki te ki mat bala wanra da ka Umsning Town Durbar.
So put your hands together. So thank you, Bala for
member of our community at the age of 90 years of age.
On requirement of scientific solid liquid waste management system, a football stadium, a boundary fencing of 12 acres land at Umsning Patarim, River District, construction of 10-kilometer internal road, renovation and beautification of existing 2-kilometer of footpath, construction of parking lot and marketing complex, installation of 100 street light within the Umsning Town Durbar, creation of traffic brands is very important, sir, here in Umsning, and a fire and emergency service station. Respected sir, it is to be brought to your kind attention and duly pledged before your thoughtful consideration regarding the following urgent requirement for the Umsning Town Durbar River District. Number 1, a scientific solid and liquid waste management system. Respected sir, for your kind information, the Umsning Town Durbar, a conglomerate of 6 villages looks after the institution of the Umsning Town Durbar as a whole. It is to mention that Umsning Town Durbar, it is the process of a new dumping ground measuring about 8 acres. But dumping of waste in the new location is inaccessible since there is no motorable road to reach there and no proper set up a waste disposal system. Number 2, a football stadium. Respected sir, it is with the same pride of intimate your kind authority that Umsning Sport and Cultural Club owned a humble football ground located at Umsning, taking the aspiration and expectation of all the football lover on board. This said, humble football ground is in direct need to be upgraded and standardized equipment with all the accessories, facilities for the player and spectators. Number 3, boundary fencing. Respected sir, we would like to emphasize that all good intents and purpose boundary fencing of around 12 acre land within which lies the aforementioned football ground. It is of extreme importance that this land lies adjacent to the National Highway 5 at Umsning bypass. Number 4, sir, construction of parking lot and marketing complex. We the people of Umsning humble request you kind consideration to construct a parking lot and parking complex at Umsning Town Durbar land. The growing population and increasing vehicular traffic in area have led the congestion, the making issue, causing inconvenience to resident and visitor.
Kelab kaloi, kani ke percaya mobile mentan ini, tingting saya alam berkelai. Dari mana rumah? Nak kata kadang mau buat menang ipi, long kibesta, bishar bah, husiar bah, bersyuab pinrai yang rai kejoki, dapusar bah, yo kawan kecing bukti. Nak kuat ban pin mau ipi, nak mau kapor orang teri mahe si ong ingat kuni. Wat kelat ban ong kublai, bat kabah, nyau dikicing kerko. Ini dik alter lagi poin yang kuat ban mau ipi. Bang Imdai ban kelan ya kita boleh bahaya ini. Fikularan, Dr. Bom mendang ini Srilang ngaruh. I work together with Dr. Bom. Most of the time I'm here in Umsning. My village starts from the CLC, so we always together. We will work together. I'm very close with Umsning constituency, and many students from my constituency. They come to study here.
You may not believe this, but I do this in a program called CM Connect. What we are having today is actually CM Connect. Many difficult questions are asked, and all the department officers are sitting right there to reply, and I'm there, of course, to back them up in whatever way possible. So it's something that we have been doing for a long time. And the reason why we do this is because we as politicians, especially the three of us present out here, the biggest complaint against us as politicians is what? That politicians only show up during election. Correct? That is the biggest complaint. And that is what we want to change. We want to give the message to the people. I mean, election is 2 years away, 2.5 years almost away. We have a long time. There is no need for, as per the convention of politicians and elections, there is no need for Chief Minister to walk through Umsning market area on the road. There is no need. You would see Chief Minister doing that before election. But we are doing it now. And there's a reason why we're doing it. The reason is because we genuinely care. We genuinely care. We genuinely believe that the public and God has given us this opportunity to serve the people. This is what we believe. And that's why, even though I cannot solve every single problem that comes up, let me be very frank with you, I cannot. But that does not mean I run away from the problems. I must face them. That is what I have been selected or elected to do. Dr. Baum must face them. But Charles and all of us must face them. And that is the reason why we are here today. We are here, as I said, because we believe that we are here to serve each and every citizen of our state. And we will do our best to ensure that we have a very good meeting. I have spoken to the Commissioner Secretary Sports. We have already had a discussion in the last 3 hours. And I can give you the assurance, as I said, right here, right now, We have 2 years, so therefore I cannot run away from it. So I'm giving you the assurance that the fencing and the VIP gallery will be implementing it immediately. So, and at the same time, the basic grass that has to be grown, it may not be the quality that say we have in Jain Stadium right now, because that requires a lot of drainage and other things. But so that the sports person are not hurt and are safe, we will try to improve the ground also. But fencing and gallery, VIP gallery, is something that we have already decided. So that's one thing. To speed of light only, that we just were there at the junction when I got down from the vehicle, right? And the town Durbar officials were there with me, and they told me that the nala has to be made and the nala has to be cleaned, and that road that goes towards Mohati, there has to be drainage being made. And I talked to our engineer Lalu from PWD. So he told me that it's about 1.5 or 1.8 crores something. File is there and it's on the table of Deputy Chief Minister in charge PWD, and we need to move on this.